So I would like to show you about how to sign up for iOS 26 beta for beginner, because most of you don't know how to sign it up. So first thing you have to do, you head to Safari and iOS 26 beta. You just search for that and it will pop up the first one here, beta at iOS.com. So you need to sign up. You put your Apple ID in here, just like me. It show like this. I scan my face, scan it again. And if you don't have Apple ID, I know most of you have, so you sign it up and agree. And after that, enroll your iOS device here. I will screenshot this one to show you. So here, enroll your device. So after that, you get it. Your iPhone, iPad, or whatever that support the new iOS 26, iPad 26. Open beta update, it will straight to the setting. And it will show you the public beta here, when public beta is available. So sign up like this, you have developer beta and public beta. So my suggestion to have a public beta because it's more safe, less bugs. So hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys enjoy your beta 26, and iOS is way better back in the day. iOS 6 still beautiful, but in the modern era, iOS 26 is the second one.